local area emergency unit reached the Oxford. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Oxford Police Department. There have been multiple reports of extremely aggressive snowmen rising out of the snow and attacking civilians in Oxford. These snowmen have been reported to be highly violent and dangerous. All residents should remain indoors and take cover. Do not attempt to engage these snowmen under any circumstances. If you encounter one of these snowmen, do not approach it and contact authorities immediately. The Oxford Police Department is working diligently to contain the situation and ensure the safety of all citizens. Stay tuned to local media outlets for more information.
Hello everyone. I have some very strange and terrifying news to share with you today. News has come to my attention of a recent event in Oxford, Maine, where snowmen in the form of large, lovable snow figures have been seen.
At approximately 1:34 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, numerous reports have been received by local law enforcement and emergency services of aggressive snowmen attacking civilians across various locations in New Hampshire. These snowmen are reported to be moving independently and are causing significant harm to the general public. The origin and nature of these snowmen are currently unknown. The New Hampshire Department of Public Safety is advising all residents to take the following precautions. Do not leave your residence unless absolutely necessary. If you must leave, travel in groups and carry a means of self-defense. Close and lock all doors and windows. Draw curtains or blinds to prevent visibility from outside. If you encounter a snowman, do not approach or attempt to engage it. Maintain a safe distance and immediately report its location to local law enforcement. If you receive an evacuation order from local authorities, follow the instructions provided and proceed to the nearest designated evacuation center. Stay tuned to local media outlets for more information.
Christmas trees try so hard. Little choo-choo trains come up.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Vermont Office of Emergency Management. Reports have been received of snowmen attacking people in New Hampshire and Maine. These snowmen are already making their way into Vermont and causing widespread damage. If you are in Vermont, you are advised to shelter in place. Do not approach any snowmen you may encounter and immediately report any sightings to your local authorities. In the event of an attack, remain calm and attempt to flee the area as quickly as possible. If you are unable to flee, seek shelter in a secure location, such as a locked room, and call 911 for assistance. In order to shelter in place, you should lock all doors and windows, close curtains and blinds, turn off all lights, silence your cell phone, and remain quiet. Stay tuned to local media outlets for more information. This is an all clear for Maine, Vermont, New Hampshire, New England, New York, and Rhode Island. The snowmen have suddenly disappeared, and there is no emergency. You may exit your shelter. We thank you for your cooperation during this emergency.
Various cities are dealing with the aftermath of these chilly figures that caused a lot of chaos. Cleanup teams are utilizing various tools to clear the roads of snowman remains and remove the snow that was left behind. Residents have differing reactions, with some finding the event amusing while others face difficulties navigating their hometowns. Businesses are assessing the
My fellow Americans, I address you today with a matter of utmost concern and urgency. Recent reports have indicated that the snowmen invasion between December 20th and December 25th, 2023, took a distressing turn, with snowmen exhibiting aggressive behavior toward civilians. I want to assure you that we are taking these reports seriously, and federal, state, and local authorities are collaborating to thoroughly investigate these incidents. The safety and well-being of our citizens remain our top priority. In response to these unforeseen events, additional measures are being implemented to ensure the protection of our communities. Law enforcement agencies are working diligently to contain any potential threats posed by these rogue snowmen. I urge all citizens to remain vigilant and report any suspicious snowman activity to the authorities. I understand that this has been a challenging and unsettling experience for many, and I want to express my deepest sympathies to those affected. We are committed to restoring order and ensuring that everyone can celebrate the holiday season in peace and safety. In the face of adversity, let us draw on the strength and resilience that defines our nation. Together, we will overcome this unexpected challenge and emerge stronger as a united and resilient community. Thank you, and may we all find comfort and safety during this holiday season.
The destruction that was done, from damaged decorations to operations being disrupted. In an unexpected twist, certain towns are using the invasion as an opportunity to bring the area together, with contests and winter festivals being held. Authorities are still trying to discover the source of this strange event, while meteorologists are looking into the weather conditions that allowed this to occur. People are asked to remain alert as there are still isolated reports of snowman-related incidents happening. We will keep you posted with any further updates as towns work to put everything back in order and keep up the holiday spirit despite all the icy difficulties.